Hi friends!
Hi.
Welcome to Bhaskar Artwork.
Welcome.
Today, we are going to draw our cute Shinchan.
Oh wow, really?
Let's draw slowly. It is very easy, friends. Just do follow my lines.
Hey.
We're making his face. It's very beautiful.
Yes, it is very beautiful.
Now draw the ear. It is almost complete, friends. Now let's draw the bottom line of his face. Now let's draw his hair and eyebrows. It is time to draw his eyes.
Oh wow, let's draw his beautiful eyes.
Wow, it is very beautiful. Now, let's try his body. Friends, if you want to see more like this video, then please subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe.
Our Bhaskar Artwork channel is specially designed for you, friends.
Yes.
In this channel, you will able to learn step-by-step tutorial of every simple drawing and also to general knowledge. Questions in every single video.
Wow.
So please subscribe our channel.
Yes, subscribe please.
Now let's draw his yellow pant.
Yes, let's draw.
Here is your today's question, friends.
Question time.
What is the largest animal on earth?
Answer the question and comment below, friends.
Now, let's draw his shoes.
Okay, let's go.
We are going to complete our drawing, friends. It is time to color. Let's color to our Shinchan.
Coloring time.
As you know, friends, we will use skin tone color to his face. Answer, blue whale. Subscribe for more videos, friends. Color his eyes.
Yes, let's go.
Here is your second question, friends.
Question time.
Which planet do we live on?
In which planet do we live on? Answer the question and comment below, friends.
Let's color his t-shirt.
Okay.
As you know, friends, he wears red t-shirt.
Oh yes, he wears red t-shirt.
Answer, the Earth. Now, it is time to color his yellow pant.
Okay, let's color it.
We are going to complete it soon, friends. Our Shinchan is complete.
Yeah, it is complete.
Yay!
Let our Shinchan life with our magic wand.
Hi friends! Subscribe our channel!
Hello friends, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel. See you soon.